Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our Ipsy original for the month of June, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you, so keep on watching. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Morphe Skyfall palette. Look in the description box down below, and our current giveaways talks about how to enter this one as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings, so there's usually always something down there. Giveaway is really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on your mobile devices, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, this shimmer is Adriana Nicole Cosmetics I Am Everything All Shimmer Palette. It is such fun shades. So the Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare, the original one that we're unboxing now. They're mainly sample sizes. Every once in a while they will throw in a full-size item, and there's usually a cute cosmetics bag as well. So let's dive in and find out what's in here. How have you guys been doing? I went and saw Mamma Mia over the weekend, and with a friend. It was so much fun. We were all up dancing. At the end of it, it was a lot of fun. It helps with, you know, sometimes you need like little breaks like that when you've got so much stress going on in your life. I mean, mine is like, a lot of people have much more stress than I do. Sometimes it's good just to kind of get away from all. We did buy a trailer, like an RV trailer. We've had RV trailers in the past. They were more of a toy hauler type because we used to have motorcycles and four-wheelers, and just come to the realization after me getting hurt a bunch of times that they're just a little too dangerous for us. Maybe I'm too clumsy. So in the house that we live in now, there's no room on the side of it for an RV, and we obviously don't have an RV garage, so it has to be kind of a collapsible that'll fit in a standard garage. And so it's called a Trail Manor, and it pops up kind of like a tent trailer, except for everything is hard-sided, and it does have a bathroom in it, because that was a must for me. But they're really hard to find over here on the western United States. They're more popular kind of over on the eastern side. I think their headquarters is I want to say like South Dakota. So I know that's not eastern, so like mid, and then I don't know. We have found a ton of them available in like Georgia and Florida and that area. But ended up buying a used one, and we knew that was used. And my husband drove down to California to get it. Like I said, there's nothing around here. So he drove down there and then came back, and then we noticed that this bracket that goes underneath it is broken, and that's what kind of lifts the whole thing up. And so now we have to we were gonna use it this weekend, and now we can't because it's not safety-wise to do so. Because we're going to have a welder come out, but he can't come out until Monday. So, anywho, got off on that tangent. This is one of the cutest bags I have seen. How cute is this for just like an evening clutch? Yes. Ooh, I love this. It's kind of a pink satin. What Ipsy says about this is bold, glamorous, and made to be seen. June's glam bag features a high shine satin finish with an oversized bow inspired by iconic beauty moments and unapologetic confidence. It's your main character accessory because subtle was never the goal. It does have a red interior. There is a Beauty for Certain lip cheek stain in Sangria, which is kind of a strawberry sorbet berry pink. Retails for $25, is 5.2 grams and 4.2 stars. Swipe on a pop of color that melts seamlessly into your skin. Thanks to a creamy formula with hydrating shea butter, this color you crave for, lips and cheeks, no brushes needed. quick, blendable, designed for the most effortless glow. From Benefit Cosmetics is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara in black. It is a deluxe mini. It's 4.3 stars. I love mini mascaras because I never go through a full one in 3 months, and so I might as well just be using like a mini one. This stuff is smudge proof, water resistant, and lightweight. It's made with ultra fine materials, so you get smudge proof, water resistant, and lifted lashes without feeling weighed down. From BeautyAmaB is a lip pencil in Timber, which is a brown nude. This is a full size. It does retail for $14. Is 3.8 stars. This creamy professional grade pencil offers a rich true to color pigment that glides on without a hint of tugging. Yes, please. Designed to define, fill, and enhance your natural shape. This formula remains incredibly comfortable and blendable throughout the day. Whether you're going for a precise line or soft focus fill, this liner delivers a seamless high impact that stays put. From Feel Beauty is an enzymatic exfoliating cleanser. It is a deluxe mini. It is 4.4 stars. This gentle cleanser helps lift away dirt and dull skin to reveal a radiant, healthy looking glow. Papaya enzymes work its magic to gently dissolve dead skin cells while leaving your skin feeling soft, not stripped. Reach for this when your complexion is feeling dull, tired, or congested. That's mine all the time. From Olivia Uma is a Milky Resurfacing Brightening Toner Pads. It is a deluxe mini. This is 4.1 stars. Toner, serum, or leave-on mask. These pads flex to fit wherever you need them, morning or night. Each one is soaked in a milky rice ferment and patchouli serum. Rice ferment to brighten and smooth, patchouli to gently resurface like a retinol without the irritation. Skin comes away refreshed, plump and visible, for even more toned. Secret word of the day is Father's Day. I'm filming this a couple days before Father's Day here in the United States. So what do you guys think of the bag? I thought it was a really good one. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what was your favorite item in here. I think mine is probably that mascara. What was yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys are doing for Father's Day. My parents have a cabin, so we're gonna go up there and spend some time with my mom and dad. Let's give away those toner pads to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you're subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. Now, I want to stress this next part because there were some confusions in the last time that I announced the giveaway winners. If you did do the bonus, so you only fill out the form once. If you did do the bonus entry items, make sure to mark on it if you did do the bonus entry items. I do check. I don't want to see you guys get disqualified, so don't check them. So don't mark on it if you didn't actually do it, is what I'm trying to get at. And then if you did do them, make sure that you do check so that way you can get the bonus entries. Otherwise, I have no idea. So your first way to get a bonus entry is to follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share the video. It really helps out the channel grow when you guys do that. And I wanted a way to reward you guys and to say thank you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. We'll have this giveaway go through July 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take the first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just helps me mail out the prizes to the winners easier. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Happy Father's Day to all you out there. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway. Woo!